last video we have integrated our AIDL library into the server and the client, and we have successfully established the communication between them. And in this video we will learn more about adding a custom class to the AIDL definition. So this is the AIDL documentation from the Android developers website, and we can see like the different steps which they are using to like create the ADL, like we have discussed in the previous videos. As you can see, like these are the different data types which is supported by the ADL file. So it support most of the primitive types in Java, and some of these list, char sequence, string map, all these kind of things, and how we can integrate them. So apart from that, there are a particular thing like passing an object over IPC means your custom class. How you can pass a class to the client or server. How we can do that? So that is done with the help of one implementation called parseable, as you already know about this thing. So what I have to emphasize on this video is like how we can like configure those things in our ASP library. So I will add the reference of this documentation in the video description. So in the ADA library folder, I have already added one custom class. It's called my data, which has a string value added into that, and it extends the parseable interface. And as you can see, like we need to like introduce couple of override few methods in order to like make it as a working parcelable, like read from parcel, write to parcel, and also these things which will like help us to uh, like transfer the data more efficiently between this client and server through the native interfaces. So we have added this class. Now we have to introduce these things to our ADL file. So I will create one more file in the same name, my data dot AIDL. Okay, and same to this thing, we can copy paste the packages, and we have to mention parcelable like this. So we have to define the class. Afterwards we have to mention like this, parcelable, and the class name my data, and importantly we have to mention the package from which you have copying that parcelable. My data. Okay, that is done. Now we will go to our first ADL interface, and we'll add my copy paste this same package to the class my data, get my data. Okay, that is done. Demo J50. So as you can see here, we got an error like couldn't find import for this class my data. So if we go to our Android pp file for this library, we could see like okay, we have added only this AIDL, so we may need to add that Kotlin file also as a source for this build. Okay, so we will add that just to show how it goes. Okay, kt. Okay, and I'm building again. Okay, but still after adding the source of that Kotlin file, we can see that we are getting this error. That is because we like need to add one more thing into our this library configuration, that is being AIDL this configuration. Then we have to mention that local include that means where this source code of this uh, new classes file and this total means that entire root structure of wherever our source code resides, that we have to mention. Okay, so we are adding this configuration and again we are building. While it builds, I will show you some documentation. Okay, I think this is the one. And if you read this particular line, options such as local includers, which tells the build system that root path to ADL files that the module can be specified under ADL group. So basically it's like to let the build system to know that that is the path of our source code, which this um build system was not able to find at the earlier stage. Okay, so we got some other errors. That is it. Demo interface .java cannot find simple. Okay, that's because we need to do some more modification to the already implemented things like demo manager. It's missing this new classes and all. Just sync this project. Copy paste. Return my data dot apply what this data has is a string. Okay, so name is equal to data from my parser label class. So we again got the error. It seems we have missed that import statement for our packages in the parcelable class, so we will add that one com dot and demo service to remote import its packages. So syncing the project again. So after the sync is success, this error should go away. Okay, it seems that everything is success, and we will go to our activity and we'll call this method demo interface dot my data dot name. Log t. My data value is equal to okay. Now I will trigger a full build. Okay, build is completed. Now we will start the emulator. Our service started to run, and we'll go to our client application. Okay, clearing the log. Service got connected, and I'm retrieving the value. Yeah, as you can see here, data from my parcelable class. So that's it, guys. So this is the end of this video series.